First time ever on market. One of the finest neighborhoods around. Access to CarKeek Park is at the end of the street. This home affords a nice flowing floor plan with great flexibility. Kitchen features updated soft close cabinets, pull-out shelves and granite countertops. Large living room with real wood fireplace. Nice-sized master suite features walk-in closet, 3/4 bath and real hardwoods. 2 other bedrooms on main. Downstairs is a great family room with wood fireplace and functioning wet bar. Other side of the basement is an oversized bonus room which could make a great home office or mother-in-law space, plus a laundry closet and full bathroom. 2-car attached garage has good storage and workshop space. You must experience this.